What's the meaning of attagirl? Attagirl. Attagirl.
Attagirl. Attagirl. Attagirl is a slang term of encouragement used to praise a female for a job well done. It is typically used in informal situations and is seen as a positive affirmation of a woman's abilities and achievements. This phrase is often used to boost confidence and motivate women to continue achieving success. While the origins of this phrase are unclear, it has become a popular way to show support and recognition for the accomplishments of women in various fields.